at that. The engine's in. And let me just say, that was by far the easiest engine install I've ever done. From lifting this bad boy up with the engine hoist to having it bolted in, it was like 8 minutes. It was so easy. I'm starting to understand why everyone loves working on Hondas. Which brings me to my next point. After reading the comments, I've realized that a lot of you guys want me to do some crazy stuff to this thing. You know, all-wheel drive swap, rear-wheel drive swap, put the engine in the back. And although I appreciate your enthusiasm, this is just going to be a nice and easy and quick build. Right now I'm stuck driving the drift truck in 30-degree weather, and the drift truck doesn't have heat. I'm trying to get this thing finished as fast as possible, ripping as fast as possible, so I can have a car that has heat and that's comfortable to drive during the winter. For those of you who want a crazy build, don't worry. We've got something freaking awesome coming soon. But for now, let's focus on this. The engine is in, but we still have a lot of work to do before we can get it started. I'm gonna start working on the drivetrain, so getting the axles in, the brakes, and all that sorted. Then I'm gonna be working on the coolant stuff, the wiring, and just getting this thing ready to run. The Civic is back on the ground with new brakes all around and its axles and its shifter. That wasn't too bad of a process, but I will say, if this thing was any rustier, I would not have had a good time. There wasn't any rust that the impact couldn't solve, but it was close. And there were some frustrating moments for sure. But it's done. And now I've got some parts from one of my favorite companies, Mishimoto. See, John told me that the radiator that was in the car was leaking. So here we have a Mishimoto radiator. So we're gonna go ahead and install this and then do the rest of the cooling system. Goes nothing. Oh! Huh. That's promising. Hey,
not gonna crank it. Not gonna crank it, even though I want to.
And so with that, we're one stop closer to this thing being running and driving. And all the Mishimoto stuff in here, it looks freaking awesome. If you guys need anything, cooling, fabrication stuff, couplers, clamps, intake systems, check out Mishimoto. They make awesome products. I use all their stuff on all my builds. I'll have a link in the description. Only thing it needs to run and drive is the intercooler system and the exhaust system. And yes, we are gonna get new wheels and tires to replace the 3 ugly ones and the 1 spare. But yeah, guys, you will see the intercooler system in the next video. You can, of course, watch it right now if you head over to Patreon. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. What do you think about Holly the Honda?